Now, based on nested if else conditions, we'll write even interesting program to find out what type of character a user has entered. So this time we'll just take a character variable itself. So for this we use this character data type and this variable name, and we can straight away ask our user enter a character. Okay, and semicolon, and this will collect in this variable C. Now we would like to find it out whether this character is a digit, is a uppercase letter or a lowercase letter or something else. So we'll use if conditions here, and we should know little bit about the ASCII code values. So this C should be greater than equal to 48 ASCII code, and it should be less than equal to 57 for it to be a digit. So C out digit. Okay. Now else if CH is greater than equal to 65 and there are 26 characters, so this will go up to, it should be C, not CH. C greater than less than equal to 90. So it should be a uppercase character. And another else if C is greater than equal to 97, and this is based upon knowledge of ASCII ranges, and less than equal to 122, C out lowercase, and else C out other symbol. Okay, and we can finally see out end of line character so that we get a new line character afterwards. Just see that we declared a variable C so that we can collect the value of character entered by user within C, and we individually check this C for ranges. So this is one checking that whether it is greater than or equal to, and within that if condition we are checking another condition, so we have to use AND or. This is double AND means AND symbol, and this is our final output when this condition is met. Else if this condition is met, else if this condition is met, and else if none of the three above conditions are met. So we'll write this and run this. Let us run this. Enter a character. So let us enter a small a. It is a lowercase. Let us enter a capital A, uppercase. Let us enter a 1 digit. So let us enter a hash character, other symbol. So this is working. Interesting. Character and the range of character based on ASCII values. You can really find the ASCII chart from the net and check these values. One should be actually proficient in knowing ASCII character locations when working in any kind of programming. Okay, so this is fairly interesting and easy program using nested if else, because within the else conditions we are checking the character ranges.
Please like, share and subscribe.